Hello, let you see and show you, brother and sister. This is the beautiful Powell River city of Powell River, and thus I arrived from this ferry. Now I am going to show you the beauty of inland beaches and also lot of beautiful areas that I need to cover for you. So this is the terminal. Now just I came with my car. So now you see now this going back with the car, how the 2 3 story car, a lot of cars can be fit, maybe 1 200 cars. So these car going back, and I have this today time to show you the beauty of this city. I hope you will enjoy. This is one of the beautiful and amazing city, and this is the Powell River, like West Harbor.